All right, guys, this is Yoga Blocks to the Sky, and Shauna's going to demo. So we got 2 teams of 2. One player from each team is going to take one block, run to the end of the studio, place that block down. That is the base for your structure, your masterpiece. Yeah, you can live dangerously and have it vertical, or you could or you can play it safe and place it flat, and then your teammate will go next after you get back, and they'll follow suit and place a block on top, and we're living dangerously. Now, if by some chance a disaster occurs and the blocks fall over, that's unfortunate, but it's the way the cookie crumbles. So, you would be there are no outside forces. Well, there's a big fan over there, but so the game is about 2 minutes. Yeah, you have to start from scratch. You have to get a permit from the city. It's awful. But yeah, you don't have to bring them all the way back. Okay, so we got 2 and 2. We have Shauna and Aaron on team. What's the name of the team? Wicked Smart, of course. And we have Lauren and Sarah. What's the name of your team?
The winners.
The winners. Ooh, fighting words. Okay. All right, this band is called The Liars from Boston. All right, guys, get ready. Get set. I know, you better win. Go! Woo! Nice. All right. That's it. Nice, Sarah. Oh, playing it safe. Little risk, low risk. Oh, I like it. Whoa, fancy. It's a little like Jenga. Nice. Shauna going with the topper. Nice, Lauren. Good. Excellent. There's a lot of running in this game. So basically, 2 minutes of coordination, strategy, teamwork, and cardio. And you get to use those yoga blocks that have been sitting in your closet collecting dust. No, probably not. I'm sure they've been put to good use. Wow, I like it. Oh no! There you go. There's blocks. So close. We need a tape measure, I think. Woo! Oh, no. Now you guys want to play it safe. Home stretch. Oh no. Oh, and it's wicked smart. Wicked smart. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And we promise not to tell. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, jot them down in the comments below. We'll get back to you right away. This is a game we play in our exercise in disguise class, as well as in punk rope. Super fun, good conditioning. All right, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.